Hi, I'm Soren, and today I'm going to talk to you about JavaScript. JavaScript is the single most dangerous technology that tracks you and invades your privacy online. There are other technologies, most of which depend on JavaScript, and the few that don't, altogether are not as dangerous as JavaScript is all by itself. JavaScript is basically custom programs that web pages download to your device when you visit them that reprogram your device to do things they didn't know how to do before they went to that website. Every once in a while, there's a website that needs to do something important that you want it to do that can only be done with JavaScript. But usually, most of the JavaScript on the internet is designed to track you, invade your privacy, or do other things that you wouldn't like if you knew what it was doing. If you look at my browser here, Privacy Browser Android, in the upper right-hand corner, there is a privacy shield, which is blue. This is the default state. And when it is blue, you are in privacy mode, and it means that JavaScript is disabled. If you go to a website like Amazon, and you are looking for a keyboard for your computer, when you scroll down to the section that would normally display the pictures, you can see that they are not visible. There's just text saying loading images. This is because Amazon has chosen to use JavaScript to display the images on the website. There's no good reason for this. You can display images just fine without JavaScript, but Amazon wants to use JavaScript for this purpose, partially because that way they can force you to enable JavaScript and then use it to do other things that you wouldn't like while you are visiting their website. If you decide that you are willing to enable JavaScript to look at the pictures on Amazon's website, you may do so by tapping the privacy shield in the upper right-hand corner. It then turns red, JavaScript is enabled, the website reloads, and now the pictures are visible, and you can swipe between them and see the images of whatever you are trying to buy. When you are done using JavaScript, you can tap the privacy shield again. It will turn blue again, privacy mode will be enabled, and JavaScript will no longer function on that website. JavaScript is set by tab, meaning that some tabs can have JavaScript on and other tabs can have them off at the same time. Also, it is possible to enable or disable JavaScript using domain settings, which is a topic that is discussed in another video linked to in the description below.